My name is Lorenzo. I live in Oak Cliff. This is my home.
Hi, I'm Reed. I've been with Lorenzo for 23 years.
I'm an artist, do a lot of different kind of medium artwork, from glass fusing to painting and ceramics. I remember when all of this started kind of happening, I was playing volleyball and got to a point where I was playing that I couldn't catch my breath.
We assumed that it was still just a bronchial infection type thing that he needed to get over.
I was coughing for 45 minutes straight and I could not catch my breath. Then I decided to go to the doctor. And that's when I discovered that I had IPF, idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis.
The doctor said, "You are a very healthy person except for your lungs."
They started explaining to me that it was scarring of the air bags that you have in your lungs that were progressively causing me not to breathe the air that I needed. And then with x-rays and CT scans, they were discovering that the disease was progressing.
We recognized that the only solution was a transplant.
And was probably the hardest news I had to get.
Baylor Scott & White Health had an introductory course for potential transplant patients and their families. That foundation helped us truly understand what the next few months would bring.
You got to hear the story from someone that's gone through it. I got my transplant in June 2020. I have never been in that environment to where you have all this attention and they're getting ready to take care of you. They made it very, very easy for me not to be frightful or nervous or anything like that.
The nurses spent time with him, even after shifts. How about that?
I think one of the most amazing things was when my team came in there and says, "I think we're ready to take this ventilator off of you. You will be breathing on your own with your new lungs."
That was a special moment for the nurses and the staff.
Spiritually, I knew that I got a second chance. During my recovery, Reed and I sat down and we were discussing about what was my next professional avenue. And at that moment, I decided to do what you really want to do your passion. And I decided to go ahead and retire from my job and do art full time. It was the beginning of reinventing myself as an artist. I cherish every breath I take.